guarantee you, I promise you, I swear to you, it will go nothing like you think. I can't remember exactly when it hit me, but a short time after my arrest in 2015, I couldn't believe the fact that in a situation where I thought everybody would lose respect for me, I was completely stunned that the opposite had actually happened. I felt that I'd actually gained respect from people I knew, gained respect from people who followed me, gained respect from a lot of our clients at Nutrition Solutions, because I was owning everything, because I was making excuses, because I didn't try to act like something was less than whatever. Because ownership and taking personal responsibility is such a rare thing. It's very tempting to try to deny or minimize or hide whatever our indiscretions were. It's very easy, and you're going to be tempted to do that. I know I certainly was, but I have an opportunity. I have an opportunity to prove to a lot of people what's possible for people that have been through some people who didn't have traditional upbringings, whose, basically their entire life was a dumpster fire like mine was for the first 25 years. You absolutely have to own it.